Hey y'all, excuse the frog in my throat, but I'm tired, it's late, and I just wanted to make sure that I posted the first seed of the week. This week I decided to sow one of my favorite leafy greens. It's called Efo Shoko, also known as Lego spinach, and I ate it growing up, gosh, in a million dishes. But it's an easy, super easy plant to sow. All you have to do is find a shallow tray, take about take a good bit of dirt, but not too much. You want your tray to be about an inch and a half deep, full of dirt. And this particular seed takes around 60 days to mature, so you could technically grow it if you wanted in this tray by adding some more dirt, but I'm going to transplant these seeds once these seedlings are about 14 to 20 days old. I love the size of these seeds. They were really nice to touch and roll around in my hand with my finger. They reminded me of black sesame seeds. I'm poking about holes of about maybe a third of an inch deep, not too deep. As you see, I'll probably pour about maybe 5 to 7 seeds into each hole because I really like crowding my seedlings. It helps them grow faster, and it seems, the plants aren't so lonely. I'm covering them with just a little bit of dirt and breaking up any large clumps that I find to make sure that the dirt has room to breathe and there are enough holes. It doesn't get moldy because there are no drainage holes in this particular pan. Oops, the camera fell, but we fixed it. Now I'm spraying my seeds down with water, making sure that it's nice and moist. And then I will take the top of the pan in a few seconds and just pat it down. Place the tray in a well-lit area where it can get about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and then wait for your seeds to grow. I hope you enjoyed this first seed of the week, and I will see you next Sunday.